Hey y'all, it's Wendy. I was just coming on to show you my spring cleaning and the progress that I'm making. It has been, well, I figured when Dean quit working and retired and then started disability, that he would have plenty of time to go ahead and do all of this stuff. But now he's away and he hasn't done anything in the last probably 3 years as far as a deep spring clean. So here we go. This is me and this is what I've done and how disappointing it is and how hard it is to clean a house that hasn't been really cleaned in about 3 years. Since like before the epidemic probably. And usually I would do it like, I would do this type of stuff like on a regular basis. But now I have a store that I have to keep up my store, and I have jewelry that I have to organize. And I have not only just one store, I have 3 stores to stock and tag. And I have 5 animals. Plus, I have a lot of stuff left over from my parents' estate. When they passed on, I got all kinds of stuff. Dean and I married and we moved to Alabama, and we just had way too much. I think when I think I have it under control, honestly, it's really not under control. But he's been gone for a couple weeks for Father's Day to visit his son, and I just want to show you some of my progress. So I'm just mostly airing out, but maybe some of you can relate to this. So here we go. This is the kitchen, okay? It gets, honestly, everyone, it always gets worse before it gets better. So I'm going to start videotaping and then you can hear it.